Yeah. Just hold the phone for me like that, Evie. It's okay. Just hold the phone like that. Leave it. Leave it. Straight. Alright, today is first day inspection after we got the hive moved. Okay.
I'm showing them first. I'm showing the thing.
Alright, la ilaha illallah, mashallah. Alright, just be careful, bees. Careful. Alright. Once you lift it up a little bit, we use what?
Clam.
Okay, take it out slowly. So as you see, this one was built from scratch. Move it back a little bit.
They get angry.
Alright, this one put it up here on the mashallah. Already they're filled up with honey. Alright, so this honeycomb was built up from scratch. Thank you, Dad. Thank you for your assistance. Alright, we put it slowly. So this is actually my first time in my life. Me and Ibrahim, we opened the beehive and we inspect it.
Yeah.
Okay, Yalla, move please. Move that one there. Yeah, move. Thank you. Thank you.
I show them at the front of the beehive.
No.
Why? Huh?
Thank you, please.
You see inside there?
Yalla, we need to put it back because the bees start getting angry now. I'll hold it with this one.
The bees. See?
Move it back here. Beautiful.
It's so close, right?
Alright. So how many frames? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frames. So the one you realize, Ibi, the one with there's already wax on it.
Yeah.
They didn't build anything on it yet. And they built new everything. Alright, let's cover it up slowly. Okay. Move away back.
Are you gonna cover it back up?
Yeah.
Why? I'm afraid to pick up the bees.
Alright. We spray them so they run inside before we close it up. Go inside, please.
Go here.
Stay videoing.
Why did you say go inside bees?
No, I'm talking to the bees. No, yeah. Just move back, please, Evie.
Daddy. Say hello.
Hi. Move, go in.
Where? Me?
Not you, the bees.
Stop saying go in. I can't see the bees. Why are you gonna close it? Summer day is gonna put the bees inside. Yeah. Hey guys. Hi.
Thank you for watching. Okay, enough videoing me. Let me video you.
Can't.
Let go. Okay, that's a little mini beekeeper.
That whole time I was videoing him.
Who's
And,
him?
My dad.
Yeah.